What's up you guys, welcome back to another video from the beautiful city of Bucharest here in Romania. Today we've got a little bit of a different video. We're not gonna travel that much, but we're gonna present to you our new equipment for filming, which is this drone right here. This drone right here, guys, it's a DJI model Mini SE. SE stands for Standard Edition. We purchased this drone when we went to Turkey. We were lucky enough to be able to get it for a really low price. This right here is the Fly More combo for DJI Mini SE, and normally it retails around 450 British pounds for the entire pack. Probably 500 euros or around $600 in the US. But we were lucky enough because we bought it at a moment at which the British pound was a lot higher than the Turkish lira, and we paid a total of only 210 British pounds, and that was just a few days before we left Turkey in Adana. 210 British pounds, it's a great price for the Fly More combo right here. By the way guys, I also have to mention that this drone right here, the DJI Mini SE, cannot be found in Europe or the United States. It is a cheaper drone created by DJI to be sold in cheaper countries, pretty much, in countries that don't have that much money, and those are countries outside outside Europe and outside the United States, obviously with a few exceptions. So you won't be able to find this in those countries, only in the cheaper ones. So we were able to find it in Turkey. Probably a similar model for this one right here would be the DJI Mini 2. That would be the closest model to this one. From my understanding and what I saw online, it's got similar components as the Mini 2, but it is a little bit lighter. It's got a little bit more plastic, obviously, because they had to make it cheaper for the public in those countries. But we're gonna open it right now, guys, and we're gonna show you what it is inside, so let's get straight into it. We open the case. This case right here also comes with the Fly More combo. It's one of the main components of the Fly More combo. This is the drone right here, guys. And as you can see, it's got a code on it. This is because in Romania, in order to fly a drone, you have to register as an operator, as a flyer, drone flyer, and have to tell the authorities that you're gonna be flying drones in Romania and also shooting on your camera. That is why if you're in Romania or in a European country, you have to register as an operator in only one country, and then you can go in all European countries and film with no problems. Just having that operator identification number with you and placed on your drone, as you can see right here. As you can see, it is a really small drone. It's got below 250 grams, so it is able to be flown in an open filming area, which means you don't need a test, you don't need a certification, you don't need to do any of that stuff. You can just register, pay the fee for registration depending on the country, and then that's it, you're free to fly. We're gonna open the legs as well so you can have an idea of how it opens. There you go, that right there, and these are just gonna come up with a flip. There you go, guys, and this is literally it. This is the drone. You don't need to do anything else to the wings. They just stay like this, and obviously they gotta be sturdy. When they spin, it's going to be everything as normal, so they stay like this. You also have the label of Mini Standard Edition on the side right here, and also the ultralight 249 grams label right there on the drone. The camera, it's a 2.7K camera in 30 frames per second. That's the maximum it will go. It's not a 4K camera, so that is unfortunate, but for the price, I would say it is really good. And a lot of people prefer, including us, prefer to film only in full HD, so that is 1080p, which is great. Great shots, and I think in 1080p it goes up to 120 frames per second. DJI Mavic Mini 2 has the same camera, which is really great, and a three-axis gimbal is also included right there. This is the protection for the camera alone. But this is the camera, guys. We're gonna put it on the ground right there, and let us show you what else it comes with. We've got 3 batteries and 1 charger that will charge all 3 batteries simultaneously, which is really great. We've got 1 battery inside the drone right now and 2 more right here. Normally, if you buy the normal drone without a fly more combo, it will only come with 1 battery and 1 normal standard, 1 normal charger. We're gonna put this on the side, and right, so next up is going to be the remote control right here. This is where you're gonna place your phone. By the way, this drone right here works with any type of phone. When we bought it, we were worried that it would only work with iPhone, but it works with Samsung, it works with Huawei. It works great with that, no problem at all. So it's not only iPhone. So this is the remote control right here. These are the antennas. You can open them like this. And as you can see, you've got a cable on the side right here, which goes inside your phone, so you can have connection between your phone and the remote control right here. A really good thing about this drone is that it comes with multiple cables like this one, so you can connect it with iPhone and other Samsung or other Android phones as well right there. The phone goes inside this case right here. This goes into your charging plug, and by the way, your phone will also be charged by the remote control. That is really great. And the remote control charges separately, so you're gonna charge this and then your phone charges from the remote control. These are the joysticks for the remote control, safely deposited right here. There you go, guys. It works like that, but we're not gonna keep it. We're just gonna put it on the side so we don't lose them. You also got these buttons right here. This is to take a picture, so you operate the camera inside the drone from here, take a picture, start recording, and also the really nice function of come back home. You just press this button and the drone will fly up to an altitude that you set before flying it, and the drone will automatically come back to you, back to the spot where you started. We're gonna put this down now, guys. This is the remote control, and as I said, we've got plenty of cables. We've got chargers right there, and also multiple wings replacements right there, which is really good. They come in handy. If one of yours break, you've got a complete set to change them. And all of this right here, guys, coming in this really nice box right there, so you don't have to have a special backpack or anything like that. You just put them in there, safe, nice, perfect for travel. And because we opened the drone already, guys, before we started filming this video, we actually played a little bit around with it, but we never used it fully as in outdoors. So I think that is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna go outdoors into a park that is nearby and test it, and probably give you a view from the drone as well, and maybe we'll see how it works. Let's go. Right, guys, we're outside right now. There are -3 degrees Celsius outside. It is freezing, my hands are freezing. Anyways, we're gonna be flying the
home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Takeoff permitted. Thank you. Thanks for that. Alright, so we're gonna be flying the drone for the first time. We never this is going to be the first time flying it outdoors. We only played around with it in the apartment, but we're gonna do it for the first time right now. And we've got the app right here. You have to download the DJI Fly app. We obviously have the drone right there, and we're gonna prepare it for launch. It's just one button. Now we started. There you go.
Has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Sure. The app will also tell you if you're allowed to fly the drone in this area. Make sure you check it out as well. Perform authorization zone, entering may cause the aircraft to exit. Okay, cancel. So we're not allowed in this area. We're not allowed to go above 120 meters high, but we're not gonna do that. we're just gonna play a little bit around with it because we don't have a lot of experience. So as you can see, I can control the height. You can already see the drone. I'm gonna start filming as well, just so we get an idea. There we go. So it is actually filming right now. Let me turn around so we can see it. By the way, guys, there are 3 flying modes. You can also see us right here. There are 3 flying modes. We are using right now the cinematic mode, which is a slow motion kind of a mode, so you can take really nice shots. There is also sports mode, which is really fast, and normal mode, which is going to be average speed. So just to go around, you can go up, left, right. It is also filming right now. There we go. We can spin around while we also climb. Again, we're not experts while we're learning, guys. What do you think about this? And that was the flight, guys. My hands are frozen. It was a short one. We're gonna learn more, obviously. We're gonna study and play around with it. But right now, let's go back home. And that was it, guys. We're back home now. That was actually a freezing experience. It was pretty cold outside. And we didn't fly that much, as you probably saw. But we are really excited to learn more about the drone, learn how to fly it better. And obviously, you already saw the shots. They were not the best, but we're gonna get better. We're gonna improve. We're gonna learn about it and obviously bring all that experience from up there to you on this channel right here. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos from Romania, other European countries, and even Southeast Asia. Sometime this year we're gonna go there, and obviously we're gonna take you with us. And with that being said, check out the links down below in the description, watch another video, and let's discover Romania together in the next one. Bye!